Hi, this is Mega Cheese 100, and I will show you how to do some tricks on the trampoline. Okay, so first, a 360. You start jumping. If you know how to do that. So here's how you jump. You go like that, okay? Okay. So you jump up high, okay? Jump up high. That's rule number 1. Jump up high. And then, rule number 2, you get up and twist. Like this. Go! There you go. There you go. There's a 360, and I'll show you one more time, in case you didn't get it. This is on a trampoline. There you go. Bye.
Thanks for watching.